and this is my closet. I know I've been missing in action. I've just been out all over Washington, traveling around, looking at the beautiful scenery. So now I'm back to catching up on videos. So if you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, tap the bell button so that you get notified of my future video, and a thumbs up if you like it. And if you're returning, as always, thank you, thank you, thank you. I so much appreciate you watching. I need another cup of coffee. So today's unboxing, I want to give away weeks ago, and I haven't had a chance to unbox it. I'm going to be doing that. I have some friend mail, so I'm going to be unboxing that, and then my Allure unboxing. So I'll try to keep it brief, and let's get started. I won a giveaway from Jen's Glitter Obsession. She is such a fun YouTuber. She does like all these makeup looks with all these new, like the Jeffree Star palettes, any new palette that comes out. She does such a beautiful look. And let's see what I won from her. I'm pretty sure I remember. I won a pop socket. It's a Jeffree Star pop socket for my phone, which I desperately need. Then I won a couple of Jeffree Star lipsticks. So the first one, oh, it must not be a lipstick. It says Shake Well. Let's see. Oh, it's a liquid lipstick. So we have to shake well. And as I always butcher boxes. Wow, look at the packaging on this. And this color is First Class. So I've got some lipstick on now, but let's see what it looks like. So that is a very pretty color. And then there is another lipstick, and Galaxy Gold. Oh, look at the packaging. It looks like a bullet. Wow, this is fun. And it's another gold color lipstick. How fun. So Jen, thank you so much for these products. Again, I got a couple of lippies and the phone. So thank you, thank you, thank you. I am going to leave a link to her channel so that you can check her out and subscribe and be part of her family. She's just such an awesome person. The next thing I got was friend mail from a YouTuber called Sharon My Avon, and her name is Sharon. So, and she's from Canada. I will leave a link for her channel as well. She does some nice unboxings. And, oh, she put, whoop. One of those days. She put enjoy Robin. Look at this beautiful card. And it must be a list of everything that's in here. So that was so sweet of her. So this is how she wrapped it. Absolutely beautiful. And let's get into it. Oh my God, look at all these goodies. There is a lipstick. This is the color. It's packaged really well, so I am not going to fight with it on this video. But it looks like a brown. You know my eyes, I can't read it. So I got a lipstick and this. See what's in here. This is so much fun. Oh my God, I got a bracelet and it's elastic. So it fits around my wrist. That is beautiful. Then I got Clear Skin Professional Extraction Strip. This is the box. And a nice tube. Look at the nice tube that came in here. I guess it's for maybe your pores. I'll read more into it. But that is super, super nice. This looks like a lip pencil. You can never have too many nail files, and that is a pretty one. And then a mask. And you must know I love my masks. So she put in, give me a moment, she put in a price sheet, the Professional Liquid Extraction Strip. It's for blackheads, and that retails for $18. The Glimmer Stick Lip Liner is $9. Avon True Color Matte Lipstick retails for $10. And it's in the color Red Supreme. The Emery Board retails for $2. The Brightening Sheet Mask is $7. And the Stretch Bracelet is $29.99. So she did send me a note, and I won't read it to you. I keep those things a little bit private. But how awesome was that? YouTubers are the best. So the last thing is my Allure box. Now I know everybody has been unboxing their Allure boxes, and I can't wait to get into mine because I saw these great products. And this is, $10, $12, $15 a month. I can't remember, but I will leave a link below. There is the pamphlet with everything that's in the box. And it smells great. Tinted Moisturizer by Laura Mercier. But something smells great in here. So the first thing is the Laura Mercier Loose Setting Powder. And again, we've been getting so many setting powders. It's just hard to keep up with them. But I will take it out of the package. I probably will gift this or put this in a giveaway because, again, I have so many. The next thing is Dewy Sticks. Oh, by Ciate. This was the glow stick. And I know some people didn't like it. And they just don't use them in general. It's not that they didn't like this one. They just don't use them in general. But I thought this was something I would like. So I'm going to give it a try. It does have a nice smell to it. So I like this one. Then we have the Perfect Smooth Conditioner and Shampoo by Nature Lab. And like everybody else, I never heard of it, but it's so nice that you get a set. So we are leaving again to go on like a 3 or 4 day trip. So I am going to try them for that trip. Then is the La Roche-Posay Soothing Relief Cream. And it's a skin protectant. And it's just a little itty bitty thing, but if it works, you can't ask for anything more. And then the last thing is by Allure Brightening Facial Scrub. And again, this is perfect to bring on those weekend trips. So let's see what we got. The Laura Mercier translucent powder retails for $39, and I'm thinking it's a bigger size than the one I got. And the Ciate London Dewy stick is $26. I'm not sure if this is the $26 stick. It might be, because it is a nice size. Then the shampoos, and they come in these super nice bottles, the shampoo and conditioner, and they retail for $14 each. And the Relief Cream retails for $14.99, I'm sure in the bigger size. And the facial scrub is $9.99, and I'm sure that would probably be the bigger size as well. So they've got some skin tips on you. Let me know what you thought of this box. As I said, everybody's unboxed theirs, and there's been different reviews on different products. But I'm definitely going to try out that shampoo and the facial scrub this weekend, and I will let you know. I hope you guys are having a great fall, and I will see you soon.